I will show you how to cook Arroz Caldo for 10 people. So let's get started!
So here are the ingredients for cooking Arroz Caldo, good for 10 people. Let's start by peeling the ginger and cutting it into thin long strips similar to matchsticks. Next is to finely chop the onions, holding the onion firmly with one hand. Next is to mince the garlic. It's important that they are minced uniformly. Separate the skin from chicken meat like this. Once the skin is out of the meat, cut it into thin strips. Then turn it into 90 degrees and chop it into small squares. Okay, prep is done and we're ready to get cooking. I have a heavy bottom pot in a medium-low heat. I'm gonna add some oil and the chicken skin. I'm gonna spread it into a single layer and then let it fry for a bit. When they start browning, scrape them off the pan. Now I'm gonna fry the garlic. Let's keep the garlic moving around the pan so that it browns evenly. When the garlic is not sizzling anymore, it's time to remove it from the pan. Now, let us saute the onion and the ginger. At this point, we're gonna add the rice and saute it for 30 seconds. Once the rice is coated with oil, we're gonna add our chicken stock. Then I'm gonna add the pepper, the salt, and the fish sauce. We don't want to oversalt this because the stock will evaporate as the rice cooks. Boil this to a high heat. We'll end up getting some scum on the top, so skim that off along with other oil. The scum that accumulates at the top must be removed, otherwise it can create and spoil color and flavor. So turn down the heat to maintain a gentle simmer. High temperatures can cause it to evaporate and become cloudy. Keep it in simmering temperature. So we'll let the rice cook for about an hour. Make sure to give it a stir every few minutes, especially when the porridge thickens. So for about 30 minutes, the chicken will be tender enough for us to shred. So I'm just gonna transfer this to a plate and use forks to shred the meat like this. Oh yeah, now that's what I was looking for. I'm just gonna throw the chicken to just warm it up. Thick and creamy in a pot. Then we're ready to serve this. A bowl of this Arroz Caldo is delicious on its own. But what really makes it special are the condiments. To achieve this perfect hard-cooked boiled egg, set the temperature to 212 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. Is it not the most beautiful bowl of porridge? Well, now, you can enjoy it with your friends. To expand the yield like this, don't forget to be very accurate in quantifying the ingredients.